All right, now we're on to the next design. I'm kind of covering some of its glory, but take a look of the design. I love me a good animal print. You got the outline, the red, the matted red. Now this design is a vibe. What would personal fashion stylist Mikara Reid rate this? I would rate this a 5. That is the highest. I love the colors. I love a good animal print. This little outline trend, I'm definitely noticing because this is the second, maybe third design that is very high on our Pinterest board, but the color scheme I love. I love a good neon, and then the red. I love having like two designs and then like one just totally different. I mean, look at my current nails right now. That this fits my personality. I feel like matching this with a bag. Yeah, let's match this with a bag.